Hi, it's Alan again with H3 Performance Wheels. On this episode of Wheel Talk, we're going to talk a little bit about 3D printing. So for most of our forged wheels, we're talking about machining away the aluminum, and that's subtractive manufacturing. But one of the projects we've been working on recently with GE Additive is our HRE 3D Plus program, which is additive manufacturing or 3D printing. For this project, we weren't just looking at 3D printing, we were looking at 3D printing titanium and mating that with a carbon barrel. As you can see with 3D printing, the amount of design freedom we have is simply unmatched compared to a normal machining process. There are still a lot of challenges to overcome to get something like this to market, but we're committed to new manufacturing methods and new materials because we know that's the future. If you want to learn more about our 3D Plus program, click the link in the description below.